The Banana Boat song. Your right hand melody is based on the F major scale going downhill. So you start with F and then you reach C, and then you will have to move your hand to the A note, which brings you back to the start of your F major scale. So I would recommend first practicing this pattern. Just make sure you get that shift down here. And that's happens in the beginning of the song, and then at the end of the song, measure 17, 18, you go back to where you started. So you start kind of in a high position, then move down. Left hand is based on the chords in F major. So you have F chord or 1, then you have 4, back to 1, right? So the first chord is F, A, C for 2 times. Second measure, you have to play F, B flat, don't forget the B flat, D, and back to the F chord, F, A, C. Measure 4, you have this chord, which is 5, 7 in key of F. So you have E, B flat, C, and then you go back to the F. Okay, so pick up to measure 9, meaning it's the last note of the first page. So your left hand has a melody to play. That's the melody: C, F, A, C, C, B flat, D, C, and then back to the chord pattern. And then pick up to measure 13, the same thing. Okay. And then also measure 19, your left hand moves down to the F position, but it's a down. Okay. And the very last note will be even lower. You're going to have that lower F. Okay, so let's start slowly from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then we have a paddle mark, so we start 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, change the paddle, move up your right hand. And then you have fermata. Fermata is that sign that sits on top of E, moving your left hand down to the F. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Sorry. So 3 times the same melody. And then 1, 2, you move your left hand down. Right hand stays where it was. Short, it will be staccato, but I'm just holding so you can see hands. So it's kind of hard to see my hands at the end because they're far away from each other. So I'm going to play from the beginning, a little bit more in tempo, faster. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see my hand? Probably not, but kind of far away from each other. All right, happy practicing.